Good morning, it's Friday, February the 22nd, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. I'm in for your regular host, George Cholis. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases and halts before the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, it's Friday, but we still have some great news from both sides of the borders. So without any further ado, let's get to it. First one we have for you is actually from yesterday, but it didn't come out till after we had run our show, but it definitely merits your attention. Company's called Opawika Explorations. They were halted yesterday and resumed trading yesterday. They trade on the TSX under the symbol OPW. Big news coming out from Opawika Explorations. They had an intercept, a pretty big intercept, 183 meters, which returned 1.54 grams per ton of gold and 0.389% copper. So again, very big numbers, big intercept, and good percentages of copper and also good returns for gold. The company has now completed 8 holes of a minimum 15 drill hole program at its Tequa Lake property located 120 kilometers southeast of Kenora, Ontario. It's up almost 300% from the halt yesterday. It resumed trading. It got halted around 40 cents, resumed trading about 70, and it closed out the day yesterday at $1.40, which is its new 52-week high. Disclaimer, Opawika is now an AGORACOM client. They had announced that yesterday along with the big numbers. So definitely one to take a look at. Do your due diligence. And that's it for Opawika. Next one I have for you is Immersive Media Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol IMC. What these guys do, they're a defense company, and they provide software to help the U.S. Army in their geophysical space to make sure that they know where all their infantry and all their military are. It announced that it's expanding its strategic relationship with AGG Security to provide the patented immersive video technology to the U.S.'s Army Rapid Equipping Force. And again, it's almost like a video game. Their software allows the Army to know exactly where their soldiers are positioned for greater intelligence and greater response. And as I state here, it will provide a superior situational awareness capability for vehicle-bound soldiers in combat. IRRS will be deployed in the Iraqi Theater of Operations by mid-2008. What do we have? They're last at 145 off their 52-week high of $5.78. Next one I have for you is Fairmount Energy. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol FMT. Fairmount announces a 72% increase in production and filing of third quarter report for the 3 and 9 months ended December 31st, 2007. So great increase there. Their current production is estimated at 635 barrels of oil equivalent, or BOE, per day, representing a 72% increase in production over the average production for the third quarter ended December 31st, 2007. Another 145 BOE per day is anticipated to come on production by the end of February. So we've got some third quarter highlights for you. Production increased 30% as compared to the third quarter last year, for an average of 284 BOE per day in the third quarter of last year to 369 BOE per day in the third quarter of this year. In addition, subsequent to the quarter end, the company drilled 1 successful natural gas well in a new exploration area, and additional drilling is planned after the spring breakup to delineate this discovery. Fairmount is an emerging junior oil and gas exploration, development, and production company with oil and gas properties located in Alberta. They're last at 79 cents off their 52-week high of $1.75. Next one I have for you, U.S. Telematics announces a revenue sharing agreement with Sirius Satellite Radio. Love Sirius Satellite Radio. I love the ability to be able to program whatever you want to listen to, whenever you want, commercial free. Good announcement here. U.S. Telematics has teamed up with Sirius Satellite for the revenue sharing agreement. And what U.S. Telematics does is they have their Voyager product, which provides live and downloadable wireless mobile, internet protocol, TV, and audio programming for rear seat passenger vehicle infotainment. In other words, they provide the streaming for the commercial, the programs that you can see on the back of the back seat of cars on the television. I've got a quote which states, affiliating ourselves with Sirius and its remarkable programming enables us to supplement all of our great audio programming already available on Voyager, said Howard Leventhal, CEO of U.S. Telematics. Our plan is to technically provision Voyager to output Sirius's music programming and offer Sirius subscriptions to Voyager users, so the kids in the rear car seats and parents in the front can all be piped in. We believe that the sustainable revenue opportunities from this partnership will play a significant role in our ongoing mission to build long-term shareholder value. U.S. Telematics trades on the OTCBB under the symbol UTLM. Their 52-week range is 30 cents to $1, and their last at 50 cents. That's it for the press releases. I do have one halt to report. It's out of the TSX venture, a company called Canadian Phoenix Resources, trades under the symbol CPH, and they've been halted by Regulation Services. So that's a wrap for today. Make sure you tune in tomorrow, or sorry, not tomorrow. Make sure you have yourself a great weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.